Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will share you Seashell craft ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. Decorating a mirror frame with shells instantly create a beach inspired design. Large statement mirror with seashell border can become standard focal point in bathroom, bedrooms, or interior and other creative areas. Making shells flower design by arranging shell into flower shape, you can create beautiful decorating for wall frame, creating car and home decor project. Different shells size work perfectly as petal and flower center. Shell vases are perfect for years-round decoration. Using a vase base and a collection of shells, you can create a coastal theme vase for your front door, entire wall, adding starfish ribbon or artificial greenery create even more visual interest. Decorating shells jar are simple but beautiful. Clear jar filled with shells create elegant display for shelves, a coffee table, and bathroom. Layering different shell color size create an attractive and natural appearance. Many crafters enjoy creating shells jewelry, necklace, bracelet, earring, pendant made from shells have a unique handmade charm. This piece are perfect for summer fashion and beach-inspired style. And dear friends, viewers, seashells magnet are quick and easy project. Simple attach small magnet to the back. Attractive shell. This decorative magnet add a touch of coastal beauty to office board, and seashell centerpiece are ideal for special occasions. So viewers, a decorative wall filled with the shells can add natural element, create an elegant table display. The centerpiece work beautiful for wearing parties, everyday home decor. Another popular idea is creating seashells shadow box. Shadow box allow you to display special shells collection while protecting them from dust, adding beach sand photographs and small decorative items create an meaningful keepsake. Seashell Christmas ornament are also wonderful craft project. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, I love you. See you in the next video. Take care.